Now we are going to see how to set the POS software. Double-click on SAP POS app and type the password without clicking Login. Click on Home and choose Workstation Setup. Firstly, click on Device Info icon. In the printer command mode, you can set the printer device. You should select the printer model from the given options and click on Save Mode. In the printer paper size, you can select the size of the printer paper, choose the option which is suitable for you and click on Save Size. Below Get Logical Names, you can enter the name of the POS devices and save it. You can set the printer in the kitchen as it will be helpful for a restaurant customer. You should select the printer model from the options and click on Save. The printer's name should be copied from setting. In the Escape POS Command Device Setup area, you can set the POS dev here by entering the details. At OPOS Receipt Setup field in the last, you can set cut space of the receipt. Because for some brand, the size of the receipt may change. To correct that size, we can use cut space 1, 2, 3 or 4 according to our requirement. With the help of Load from Registry options, you can load the details from registry. The printer's name should be copied from printers and scanners from devices from setting. Next, click on Store Info icon. Here you can fill the store details. You can fill manually or else you can take it from registry by clicking on Load from Reg checkbox. Moving forward, click on VAT Info icon. You can set the VAT according to your customer detail. The format of the VAT should be inclusive by default. Exclusive will be used for wholesale second owner customer. Then click on CCTV Setup. We can also set up CCTV, but CCTV camera should work on Internet Explorer only. By giving IP address, we can add CCTV. Next, click Language Setup. We can set the language which we are comfortable with at language selection. We can also select the currency by currency selection. Click on External Display icon. By selecting ON, radio button in Advert Screen Second Display, you can enable the second display. By default, Display New Screen should be selected. Display style will be image running for old screen and both half for new screen. Then select the size of your screen which is suitable for you at Screen Size section. You can also set third and fourth display by clicking ON radio button. You can select the display number at VGA number area. 0 will be engineer test. Click on Main Screen icon. You can set the style by clicking on Style 1 or 2. And you can add language on language selection. Then click on Email Address icon. With the help of email setup, you can get the mail of end of day report to the mail ID which you have entered. You can set up to 4 mail IDs. If you enter 0 in the sender mail address and password, you will get the mail from SAT server. If you want to create a sender mail, you can follow the instruction at the bottom and create. You can only create on Yahoo and Google Mail. Next, click on Price Embedded Barcode Setup icon. In Worldwide, there are 2 methods of barcode format to bill scale products. One start with 2 and another start with 02. You can select any of these 2. You should enable Price Embedded Barcode, so that the barcode will reflect in billing. You can also set barcode for lottery at the bottom.
By Enable Active Lottery Barcode Scanning, you can set the lottery details and save lottery info. Click on Currency Control icon. You can set the currency symbol in Operator Display in Currency Control, Customer Display and Printouts. By clicking Symbol Radio button, the price will be displayed with symbol like $. By clicking Text Radio button, the price will be displayed in text. You should select the currency in which your customer is using. Click on Scale Setup icon. You can set the scale billing setup. You can also load from registry. You should click on the checklists which are suitable for you and set the scale device details. Next, type the 6-digit password in the password to database string at right bottom and click on Workplace Setup icon. Workplace Setup is nothing but there you can set a type of work you are going to use with it. You can set which you want like retail, restaurant, spa, ticket shop or dry cleaning. Then you have to select whether you're going to use the software as POS or back office or paper round. Finally, save it. Click on Loyalty Points icon. Loyalty Points setup is used to give points to customer based on their purchase amount. By enabling Loyalty Activate, you can activate Loyalty Points setup. Loyalty model will be 0 as default model. Earning points can be set as per your need. For example, if customer buy for 100, you can give 10 points. In the same way, you can set redeem points like for 100 points. Customer can redeem 50 points. If customer forgot to add points with a bill, she can come back within some days to add the points. That particular time period can at old receipt add points day different. Finally, click on Save.